Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Hinge filter not working. So if your filters in Hinge are not working, it is likely due to a temporary glitches, a misunderstanding of how deal breakers work, or because you have run out of potential matches that fit your criteria. So to fix this issue, what you can do is simply go to your Hinge app and then tap the Hinge icon at the bottom left of your screen. Now once you do that, look at the top left corner of the screen. You will see a slider icon, 3 horizontal lines with circles on them. Just tap on it. Here you will see member preferences. But remember, you have to complete your profile to unlock your preferences. Since I haven't completed my profile, so I won't be able to show you a step by step, but I can guide you guys verbally. Now, once you find member preferences, you can just toggle deal breakers off and on. Now the next what you can do is log out and re-log in. You can just simply go to your profile and then your settings at the top right corner. Simply scroll down and then tap on log out to log out from your account and then immediately log back in. Now the next what you can do is check for your outdated app, because an outdated version of Hinge can lead to bugs, including malfunctioning filters. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.